Altcoins want to pump so hard if just given the opportunity. And let me show you what I'm seeing on the charts. This behind me here is the Russell 2000. Now, this is not crypto. This is the world of stocks. And if you're unfamiliar with the world of stocks, you have the S&P 500 and then you have the Russell 2000. The S&P 500 is a combination of the largest stocks in the world, the 500 largest. The Russell 2000 is like the altcoin market for the world of stocks. Much smaller, much more risk included in investing in these stocks because they're smaller market caps. It's much more volatile. Sounds like altcoins, right? And it just made a new all-time high the other day. This is the Russell 2000 on the weekly chart, and it is making strides upwards with confidence. This tells us that across the overall broader market, risk on is the play. And what is more risk on than altcoins? And then bringing it back to the world of cryptocurrency here on the Bitcoin dominance chart. And if this chart happens to be new to you, as this chart goes down, it means that altcoins are actually performing really well. As this chart goes up, it means that Bitcoin is outperforming those altcoins. And we have had this ascending wedge on our chart here for several weeks. And this was the crypto market meltdown on Friday where Bitcoin sold off, but altcoins sold off harder. So Bitcoin dominance shot upwards. And since then, we've had a nasty wick down, a close below the 200-day exponential moving average, and three-bodied red candles in a row, signifying a lot of bearish momentum, which is good for altcoins, back into this wedge. Now, I was calling for quite a while that this would be a false bullish breakout here on Bitcoin dominance. I didn't think it was going to play out quite like this. I thought it was going to be something different. This is crazy, right? But what we have here is now yesterday, we had some candle close below key exponential moving averages, and ascending wedges tend to break to the downside. This is telling me that altcoins want to pump, that Bitcoin dominance wants to continue to fall here. It's as clear as day to me that that is most likely what is going to happen. And if we can just get a confirmation of that and a break of basically 59%, you could see altcoins really start to take the market and drive upwards, particularly with what we're seeing from the Russell 2000. The only thing that I'm seeing from the overarching general altcoin charts that is maybe a little bit of a concern is that on the total 3 here, and this is the daily chart, this shows the market cap of all altcoins with the exception of Ethereum and of course not Bitcoin and what their market cap is. And we're really close to potentially getting a short signal here. So if we get a short signal on total 3, but Bitcoin dominance falls to the downside, meaning altcoins are running, that means that this altcoin run could largely be concentrated in Ethereum, at least at the get-go. So we'll try to see if we can avoid a short signal here, but otherwise altcoins look positioned to pump.